Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nautia YE. I go by Beauty Rebellion. And if you're not new, welcome back, Rebels. Today's video is going to be all about this really pretty chocolate brown wavy bang wig that I have in right now. This wig was sent to me from LuvMeHair company. So if you're interested in learning all about this wig and seeing how I installed it, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so jumping right into it. This is the packaging my wig came in. I absolutely love their hair boxes. First of all, my favorite color, purple. It came with my wig and a bunch of other goodies. So this is how my wig looked straight out of the packaging, straight out of the box. It came with these really pretty curls. This is LuvMe's chestnut brown loose wave 5x5 glueless closure wig. The length is 20 inches. I really love that they add the elastic band to the back. This wig came with these long curtain bangs, which I will be cutting later on in the video, and it came pre-plucked with a middle parting space. So I'm starting out with my hair braided straight to the back. Don't laugh at my crusty braids, y'all. I'm just going ahead and putting on the wig cap that they sent me and adding a little bit of makeup to the cap because it is a little bit lighter than my skin complexion. So just so once I put the wig on, it just looks a little bit more skin-like underneath the wig. I will not be gluing the cap down only because I'm not even gluing the wig down. So it just makes it easier to just put it on. I'm loosening up the elastic band just so that it fits my head perfectly. And then I'm just going ahead and putting the wig on. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the box, y'all. It's not bad, but it definitely needs a little shaping. So let's get into it. As you can see, like I said, the parting space is pre-plucked, but the actual closure itself is not pre-plucked. I'm not gonna do any additional plucking. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and then we're gonna get into styling the bangs. Alright, y'all, so I'm going ahead with my hot comb and I'm just pressing down the top of my hair. Like I said, I'm not gluing this wig down. I'm not using any additional sprays or adhesives. I literally just want this to be like a throw-on wig. So I'm pressing down the top of my hair just to make sure it's nice and flat. And then I'm taking out the piece of the hair that I'm going to cut in the front to make those bangs fit my face. And yeah, honestly, I've seen people wear their hair like this, like the whole curtain bang look. And I think that's what they were trying to go for with this wig. But me personally, I just don't like too much hair on my face. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the bangs a little bit shorter. And as you can see, I did go in and cut it a little bit more. And now that I think it's like the perfect length, I'm just layering the sides of the hair a little bit just to frame my face. I'm going to go in with my flat irons and just press those bangs, put a little bump in it. And y'all, honestly, when I tell you this is one of the easiest wigs ever, and it's already starting to give what I needed to give. I'm adding a few little curls to the top of the hair just to make those curls a little bit more defined, and just playing around with those bangs until I get it to my desired look. And now that that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and take my wax stick and press down the top of my hair. Y'all know we do not like our wigs to be big at the top. So I'm going back in with my hot comb and just making sure the top of my hair is as flat as possible. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. I'm not gonna lie. I love the curls that it came with. As you can see, I barely had to do anything to it. I literally just took my hot comb, pressed down the top, made sure that it was laying the way I wanted to lay, and then I took my scissors and I chopped the front to make those bangs fit and frame my face perfectly. And that was literally it, guys. The wig fits really secure. It's not going nowhere. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you're notified whenever I post new uploads. Again, shout out to LuvMeHair Company for sending me this wig. I will most definitely be wearing this wig as my new like go-to throw-on wig during the week when I really don't feel like doing nothing to my hair, but I still want like a really cute look. This will most definitely be my go-to. If you're interested in this wig or any other wigs from LuvMeHair Company, I will make sure to leave all their details down below in my description box. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Smooches. Make a phone, make a phone, 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 make a call, make a keep a deep phone, 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 your body, kakara, make a phone, 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 on a make